Hello everyone. So in this video, we shall see the analysis of the frames. So what is meaning of frames and how to make the analysis. So we shall see here. So as we have discussed earlier, so it is also part of the structures. So structures are classified into different types like trusses, frames and cables. So that is, we have already studied the uh, trusses. So what is its meaning and how to make analysis of trusses, so that we have seen in the previous lectures. So here we shall specifically concentrate on the frames. So what is meaning of frame? First of all, so frame is a structure made up of two or more members. So it is also same in case of trusses, connected together by internal hinges or pins, so in which at least one member is multi-force member. So here it is somewhat different from the trusses. So up to here, so up to this point, internal hinges or pins up to this, so it is same like what you can say, this trusses. So after that, so this differentiates frames from the trusses. So at least one member is a multi-force member, means, so on the frames, so at least one element, one member will be the multi-force member. Multi-force means it is more than one forces are being applied. So this is about the what you can say, definition of the frame. So before we are going to make the analysis, so we need to understand certain points, so that we shall see. So points need to be consider in the analysis of frame. So first point is, in case of frames, forces can be applied anywhere on the members. So in case of the frames, forces can be applied anywhere on the frames, anywhere on the members में किधर भी force apply कर सकते हैं. लेकिन where as in case of trusses, forces can be applied only at joints. So truss का analysis का time पे, so we have considered that forces are applied only at joints. joint के ऊपर ही force apply हुआ है, वैसा हमने consider किया था truss के time पे. तो in case of the frames, so it is different. So forces can be applied anywhere, joint में भी apply कर सकता है, so in between joint में भी apply कर सकता है. So this is about the first point. Second point is, members of the frame are subjected to the bending as well as tension or compression. So in case of the trusses, so we have assumed that they are rigid, means there is no deformation, उसका शेप एंड साइज चेंज नहीं होता है, वैसा हमने अज्यूम किया था ट्रस केस पे. बट इन केस ऑफ द मेंबर्स ऑफ द फ्रेम, दे आर सब्जेक्टेड टू द बेंडिंग एज वेल एज टेंशन और कॉम्प्रेशन. मतलब सो शेप एंड साइज चेंज हो सकता है. सो दैट इज assumption in the case of frames. Next, third point is, forces in members of frame are generally not collinear. So already explained in what is meaning of collinear. So different type of force systems, in that case I explained different type of forces: collinear, coplanar and space forces. So topic of space forces, so that we are going to discuss it later on. So next, fourth point is frames are designed to support loads and are usually stationary. So frames को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, most of the applications they are used to support the loads which are stationary. मतलब जो एक ही जगह पर रुक जाता है, so उस टाइप का लोड को सपोर्ट करने के लिए फ्रेम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज किया जाता है. So that is the fourth point. So these points we need to consider while analysis of the frames. Let us see one problem on the frames. Okay, so this is the example number 13. So you can refer in the question bank which I have provided already. So ACE and BCD are two rigid rods. देखो ACE and BCD are two rigid rods. So rigid means it is. So rigid means it is. So that is no deformation. So this is very important to understand. Rigid means it is no change in shape and size, no deformation, bend नहीं होता है, उसका शेप साइज कुछ भी उसमें चेंज नहीं होता है फोर्स अप्लाई करने के बाद, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिजिड. देखो सो नेक्स्ट इज ACE and PCD are two rigid rods connected by string FG. So this FG is a string. It is connected by string. String means so which can take only tensile loads. Tensile loads को stand कर सकता है, compressive load को withstand नहीं कर सकते. तो at pin C connected by a string FG and the pin at C. So देखो, so this at point C it is a pin connected. Okay, so means it is there are two reactions, horizontal and vertical reactions on both members as shown in the figure. Find the reaction at A. So find the reaction at A. So just see here. So this is a pin joint. So point A. So here there are two reactions, but here it is a ruler support. So there is only a vertical reaction here. Find the reaction at A and B. So point A, point B के ऊपर reactions को find करने के, and force on the pin at C. So force on the pin at C. So point C के ऊपर क्या है? So here there is a pin. So दोनों को pin use करके connect किए. So point C pin के ऊपर. So what are the forces? Means it is we need to find the reaction at this point, horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. Also find the force in this string FG. स्ट्रिंग में कितना फोर्स है वो भी फाइंड करने के. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस ड्रॉ द फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. देखो अर्लियर आई एक्सप्लेन. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम इट इज. देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द रिएक्शंस, so you need to find the equilibrium diagram of the whole system. Okay, so there are applied forces and reactions. देखो so here it is 10 kilonewton is applied, 10 kilonewton, it is horizontal and it is vertical. Afterwards point A there are two reactions, horizontal and vertical. At point B there is only one reaction. So to find reactions, so apply the equilibrium conditions as usual. To find reactions, applying equilibrium condition to the whole system. So if you make this, take the summation of f of x is 0, means summation of horizontal force equal to 0. So what are the horizontal forces? Ax and 10 kilonewton. Both are towards right, means both are positive. Plus ax plus 10 is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus 10 kilonewton. So what this sign indicates? So Ax is not towards right, it should be towards the left. So that is why. So sign indicates, मतलब हमने जो डायरेक्शन कंसिडर किया उसका एक्चुअल में अपोजिट है, मतलब हमने राइट साइड में कंसिडर किया था, तो एक्चुअल में फोर्स का डायरेक्शन कौन सा है? इट इज टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. नेक्स्ट अगेन, so suppose if you take the next condition summation of f of I equal to 0, so उसमें क्या होता है? So ay plus rb minus 10 हो जाता है, तो उस इक्वेशन में क्या हो जाता है? So there will be two unknowns, ay and rb, so that's why so we cannot solve the equation. So better we go for the moment at point A is equal to 0. So if you take moment at point A is 0, rb into 1.5 plus 1.5 it is 3 minus 10 into 4. So you can see, so this is minus 10 into 4 and minus 10 into 3. So it is, this line is along this line. So so you can see in the figure, so this point is this distance is perpendicular distance is 3 for this force. अगर मोमेंट पॉइंट ए पे लिए तो इसका डिस्टेंस कितना होता है परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस 3, इस फोर्स का परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस कितना होता है 4 एट पॉइंट ए। -10 into 4 -10 into 3 बोथ आर क्लॉकवाइज अबाउट पॉइंट ए, इसलिए दोनों नेगेटिव। सो अगर आप इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया तो आपको सो यू विल गेट आर बी इज इक्वल टू 23.33 किलो न्यूटन। सो नेक्स्ट इज समेशन ऑफ एफ ऑफ आई इक्वल टू 0 यूज किया तो आपको ए वाई का वैल्यू मिल जाता है। तो ए वाई इज इक्वल टू -13.33 kilo Newton. So why it is again minus? It is not in the upward direction, so it is reaction is in downward direction. So at point A, so there are two forces. So the AX and AY, these are called the reaction components. So resultant reaction is RA is equal to square root of AX square plus AY square. So it is 16.66 kilo Newton. Means what are the reactions here? So at point A it is 16.66 kilonewton and at point B it is 23.33 kilonewton. So you can also find the angle also here. So if you want to find angle, so you can also find the angle here. So you just use the equation, that is theta equal to tan of, देखो, so here it is towards x component is towards left, y component is in the downward direction. That means resultant reaction is in this direction. So this is resultant, this is R, this is x component, that is means AX, this is AY component. So this is theta, this angle. So theta is equal to, so use this equation, theta भी find करने का, theta equal to tan inverse of AY by AX. So by using this equation, so you can go for the tan inverse of AY upon AX. So AY upon AX यूज करके उस थीटा को फाइंड करने का। Okay, so you just find that angle. So next, what is our aim is to find the reaction components and as well as, so we need to find the reaction components at A and B as well as forces at on the pin at C, C के ऊपर forces कितना है, as well as tension in the string FG. Okay, so अभी reactions तो मिल गए. So next is to find the tension or the reaction at point C. So this is the point C. So this is the point C. It is. It is the point C. It is. Okay. So here, considering the equilibrium diagram of the any one of the rod. So here I have considered the rod BCD. So ACE and BCD, अगर आपको पॉइंट सी पे फोर्स कितना है और स्ट्रिंग में फोर्स कितना है वो फाइंड करने के, तो सो इधर यू कैन कंसिडर फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ऑफ दिस रॉड, अदरवाइज दिस रॉड ACE or BCD. So here I have considered BCD. So this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. Okay, B, C, D. So force in string FG, how you can calculate force in FG? So just take the moment at point C is equal to 0. So you will get, so देखो, so perpendicular distance, you just refer to the figure. So just देखो, so this is the force in T. We are taking moment at point C. Perpendicular distance कितना होता है? T का 1, 10 का 2, इस फोर्स का perpendicular distance is 2. and this reaction perpendicular distance is 1.5. okay, so just I have not shown in perpendicular distances here. minus t into 1 because it is clockwise, so दोनों फोर्स को तो मोमेंट जीरो होता है बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग मोमेंट एट पॉइंट सी, प्लस रिएक्शन आर बी का वैल्यू कितना है 23.33, so it is into 1.5 anti-clockwise, so it is positive. Again 10 kilonewton, it is clockwise, so it is minus 10 into 2 is equal to 0. Perpendicular distances I have shown in the figure. Okay, so you just refer that. So you will get force in this string T is equal to 15 kilonewton. Okay, so next is, so you need to find the, so Cx and Cy कैसे कर सकते हैं? Simple, use the summation of f of x is 0 and f of y is 0. So for this equilibrium diagram, so you just use the summation of f of x is 0, f of y is 0, so you will get the value of Cx and Cy. How? देखो suppose if we use the summation of f of x is 0, क्या होता है? So what are the horizontal components? T, 10 and Cx. So T is towards left, minus T plus 10 plus Cx, minus T plus 10 plus Cx is equal to 0. So T value and T value already we have calculated, 15 means it is minus 15 plus 10 कितना होता है? minus 5, minus 15 फुट किया तो minus 5 होता है. Cx is equal to, it is 5 kilo Newton. Cx is equal to 5 kilo Newton because minus 5 तो, so if you take it on the right side, so it will become plus. Similarly you can go for the summation of f of I. So f of I को यूज़ किया तो आपको सी वाई का वैल्यू मिल जाता है. सो आर बी प्लस सी वाई, सो एफ ऑफ आई कंडीशन यूज़ किया तो, सो यू विल गेट द सी वाई वैल्यू. सो आर बी प्लस सी वाई, सो आप अगर यूज़ किया तो देखो आर बी का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी वी आर कैलकुलेटेड, सो यू जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट आर बी वैल्यू, so you will get the value of Cy. So I think Cy you will get in minus, that means it is, so direction of Cy is not in the upward direction, so it is in the downward direction, means opposite to the what we have considered. Cy direction will be downward because, so here we are going to get it minus. So this is how, so we have calculated the reaction components, tension in the string we have calculated the, so reaction components Ra and Rb. okay, so उसके बाद tension in the string T afterwards, so forces on the pin, so Cx and Cy, so these are the forces on the spring. So you can also देखो, so you just go for the, देखो इसमें क्या बोला है प्रॉब्लम में, find the reaction at A and B, so that we have done it, reaction तो find किए. Force on the pin at C, फोर्स ऑन द पिन एट सी, सो इसमें क्या करने का है इसको, सो जस्ट गो फॉर द रिजल्टेंट, सो इसका सी एक्स एंड सी वाई का रिजल्टेंट फाइंड करने का, दैट इज बाय यूजिंग द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी वाई स्क्वायर. सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी वाई स्क्वायर यूज करके उसको रिजल्टेंट को फाइंड करने का, उसके बाद उसका एंगल को फाइंड करने का, सो दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड मेनी टाइम्स. सो उसका रिजल्टेंट को फाइंड करने का, उसका एंगल को भी फाइंड करने का. okay, so that is force on the pin at C. उसके बाद also find this force in the string Fg, so which is already we have done it. It is 15 kilo Newton. So this is how, so you can see here, so it is forces are applied. Frames में का मतलब क्या होता है? Forces not just applied at the joints, so they are applied at somewhere in between joints also. So you can see here, so that thing, so here it is joint, here it is joint, so in between also force is applied by using the string. So like this, so this frames means force are applied not only at joints, so in between joints also forces are applied. So that differentiates frames from the trusses. So this is about frames, complete about frames. Okay, so thank you all. So in the next topic, so I'm going to cover the cables. So that is third topic in the analysis of trusses. Okay, so thank you all.